Overview. The Vivo V30e is a cutting-edge smartphone designed to deliver a premium user experience through its innovative features and sleek design. It combines powerful performance with sophisticated aesthetics, making it an ideal choice for tech enthusiasts and style-conscious users alike. Gallery. Vivo V30e in velvet red, a luxurious color that reimagines Indian tradition, adding a touch of sophistication and high-class elegance to your everyday moments. Vivo V30e in silk blue, an ultra-slim variant that embodies elegance and a lightweight feel for a comfortable grip and smooth user experience. Vivo V30e in sunny green, a refreshing color option that emphasizes a feather-light and slim profile, enhancing visual immersion with its ultra-slim 3D curved display. Vivo V30e in classy brown, featuring a high refresh rate screen. This color option provides a stunningly smooth visual experience for gaming and video watching with a boundless immersive experience due to the extremely narrow bezel, parameter, ultra-slim 3D curved display. Screen size, 6.78 inches, refresh rate, 120 Hz. Screen-to-body ratio, 93.3%. Display colors, 1.07 billion. Color gamut, P3. Contrast ratio, 8 million to 1. Certifications, SGS low blue light, low flicker, low motion blur. Dimensions and weight. Thickness, 7.65 mm silk blue variant. 7.75 mm other variants. Weight, 179 g silk blue, 188 g other variants. Camera features. Main sensor, Sony IMX882. Selfie camera, 50 MP AF. Video recording, 4K front and rear. Battery, capacity, 5,500 mAh. Durability, 4 years. Charging, 40 for West Flash Charge. Performance, processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 4nm 5G mobile platform. RAM, 8GB plus 8GB extended RAM. Storage, available in various configurations. Durability and build, water and dust resistance, IP64. Screen protection, SCHOTT sensation cover glass. Comprehensive cushioning structure ***. Key features, ultra-slim 3D curved display. Designed for a super comfy grip, the Vivo V30e features an ultra-slim profile and a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals and immersive viewing experiences. Sony IMX880 camera, equipped with a Sony professional portrait camera. The V30e captures professional-grade portraits with enhanced photosensitivity and light intake. Studio quality Aura Light Portrait. The upgraded Aura Light provides studio-quality lighting for portraits, offering softer and smarter illumination for natural and delicate skin textures. 50MP AF selfie camera. The 50MP selfie camera with fast and accurate autofocus ensures stunning, high-quality selfies with great detail. 4K video recording. Capable of recording 4K videos from both the front and rear cameras, the V30e allows you to capture and edit high-resolution videos with exceptional clarity. Battery life. Featuring a 5,500 mAh battery, the V30e is India's slimmest smartphone in this battery category, ensuring extended usage with impressive battery health over 4 years. Performance. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4nm 5G mobile platform, it delivers superior performance and power efficiency for all tasks. Durability. Built tough with IP6 for dust and water resistance, high-strength shot sensation cover glass, and comprehensive internal and external protection to withstand daily challenges. Buy now. The Vivo V30e is available in multiple colors and configurations to suit your personal style and performance needs. Visit the official Vivo website or authorized retailers to purchase this innovative smartphone and elevate your mobile experience.